Hi there, my name is Valentin. Today I want to talk about my design product for the Fjällräven online store. Fjällräven is a Swedish brand founded in 1960 that specializes in outdoor gear, especially clothing and backpacks. My tasks included diversifying the main sections of the website by creating an interactive layout to make it more interesting for users to interact with. Simplifying navigation to make it easier to find important elements like headings, prices, buttons, etc. And also working on typography to improve readability. The original website was not very user-friendly, because it had an interactive design. For example, the main page was filled with repetitive square and rectangular blocks, which made it difficult to focus on the content. The navigation was confusing. It took a lot of effort to understand how to find the catalog, even though it was the main purpose of the site. There was too much unnecessary information in the product description in the catalog. The descriptions were short and not very detailed, making it difficult to understand what each product is about. So the update design, upon viewing the main page, one can see how the design has been transformed thanks for varied presentation of information. I have divided all the content into meaningful blocks in order to make it easier for users to identify what is essential and what is not. Also, I have removed distracting text and reduced the number of styles, allowing the users to focus on the most important content. So in this video, I've highlighted three main areas. It's home page, catalog page, and product card page. You can stop the video and easily see the visual changes that have been made. By scanning the QR code or clicking on the link in the video's comments, you can visit Behance and see the entire product. There you can also watch animations of the elements and see how the screens look on mobile devices and in tables. So thank you for your time. Goodbye.